So this video is going to show a little bit of welding and my review of the Simder helmet that they sent me to do a test run on. I used it for arc welding a weekend ago up at the lake, and you're going to see a little bit of TIG welding here with it. Nice looking helmet. Simder, the helmet in the middle, sent me this helmet to test, and I just wanted to show you in my own collection of helmets. I have a Miller helmet and I have a Lincoln Viking helmet, the 4C version. It's about a $300 helmet, and I can't remember what I paid for this guy, but it wasn't cheap. So I'm experienced in the different helmets. They're very, very similar in their features, but we're going to be discussing the Simder in this review. And I can tell you right off the top, I'm very, very impressed with it. We'll continue on. I don't know if this will focus. Yeah, there it is. So this little leg got broken off, and where is it? Where is it? Right there. And managed to get it welded back. It's stainless, so I'll get it cleaned up. And just wanted to show you I'm using the Simder helmet there that was sent to me to try, and I got to tell you, it works fantastic right there. It's got the various settings here on the side of the helmet, So you have your sensitivity, your shade adjustment, and your delay. And then there's a switch here where you can go to grind, where you get no shading at all, and then you would make your adjustments there for your different temperatures, which you're welding. Helmet fits great. It's got the inside. It has the brackets where if you wanted to put a cheaters in it. I'm telling you right now, if you saw the glasses I have on, they're not my normal. I went and got some 3 power. I was having a hell of a time just seeing lately when I'm trying to weld with my normal glasses because they're transitional readers. And then it also inside there, I think you can see it, there's a test for the battery. Very, very nice helmet. Very, very happy with it. Kind of cool looking too. It also comes with an extra lens for the exterior, and the booklet on it also. Very nice unit.